It's going to be a good pull.
Oh yeah, look at that.
That's going to be a good pull.
I remember the Ram Chargers was the same way. It was many years for me before I could open and close that thing on my own.
Yeah.
Put it in
There's traction and it goes sideways because
change the shifting.
yeah, it goes somewhere.
Cookie and a nice drink.
Look at that chunky little thing. Straight ahead on the right. Drop over. Now I'll give you a little bit more. Yep, there it is. Now if this was just a flat stretch of road, we wouldn't even think twice about it. But since it's uphill,
Yeah. Since it's uphill and there's a cliff on our left.
yeah, you kind of think about it.
Oh, more to come.
That'll burn some def. We've been between 3,000 and 4,000.
Oh, I think we're climbing up the ramp now.
Careful, there's a pedestrian.
Yeah.
Two crows sitting out over the
Yeah.
peak, watching those stupid humans.
Wonder if this guy's looking to go down, clearing traffic.
Where's his vehicle? I don't know whether would it be worse coming up like we did or going down that.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking the same thing.
It'd take longer to control it down.
Yeah, because you don't get a second chance if you lose it.
That descent control would take care of it. I wouldn't even touch a pedal.
Yeah, in this vehicle, that'd be nice.
And it manages the ABS on each individual wheel, and it controls the whole thing. There's no way you could do that with just a brake pedal.
Well, you slow and slide is how it kind of goes with the
Where-
brake pedal.
Where's his vehicle? I didn't see what.
I don't know. I was looking to see what he had.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah.
Is this candlestick or something different?
I don't know.
There's your Toyota. Gotta have one of those.
Yep. They're like zits in the 9th grade.
Murphy. Oh, so I think that hill is Murphy's Hogback.
Oh,
Okay. That makes sense.
I wasn't aware of that.
It's a Murphy campground. This was available, but I thought that's probably not far enough. We probably need to go a little further.
For the second day?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
To get a little closer to the finish,
Good thinking.
so that the last day wasn't a marathon day.
Yeah.
But let's be this way, huh?
I don't think
No,
so.
left, I
You
thought.
gotta go left to get out of here.
See, boundary.
Yeah. You gotta go over the boundary.
Well, I like it in the back seat. This is a good spot you had, Jock.
It's kind of neat, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's-
liking it.
It's nice and comfortable.
There's not a bad seat in this.
No, that's for sure.
What's the speed limit in low?
I don't know.
It was revving pretty good.
Yeah.
Sounded like, was that like 15 or 10 that you were doing up the hill? Did you notice?
Yeah, like probably 10 or 15. And I had it in sport mode also to make sure that it stayed in gear longer.
Yeah. Now try to shift.
Yeah. Perfect seat. Well,
So how often does some guy come out here in a pump truck and clean out? Oh, shit.
Jeez.
Let me out. I'm not-
it doesn't matter which side you go up or down. You get it both, right? You get them
Yep.
both ways.
Yep, we're okay.
So we got to go over this rim, and they will make it happen.
Let her rip.
I don't have any.
There's 19.
I'm not touching any pedals. My feet are off the pedals.
It's a solid 19.
Yeah, that's the biggest 19 we've had.
Yep. I can't imagine doing a 30.
Yeah, I did it in that.
You done a 30?
I did it in an off-road training class that I went to. Yeah.
Ramp.
No.